What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today I will answer another question, and this is regarding rental income. So the question sounds like this: regarding rent and mortgage, if house name under husband and wife but loan name under husband solely, if the house is tenanted, the owner that signs should be husband or wife or both. Okay, that's the first question. For the benefit to acquire more loan in the future, will bank divide rent 50% between husband and wife? Contoh house rent 2,000, 2,000, so 1,000 husband income and another 1,000 wife income. So there's two questions here. So the first question, right, if the house is tenanted, the owner that signs should be husband or wife or both. The answer is up to you. You can actually sign husband alone, wife alone, or both also can, okay, on the tenancy agreement. The next question, right, will the bank divide rent by 50%? This is what the bank usually do. Yes, the bank nowadays, right, they will divide, because last time when you want to apply for a loan, rental income is very easy to pass. You just need a stamp tenancy agreement. Just one bank, even stamp tenancy agreement, you can straight away take it as income. You don't even need an SMP or proof of ownership, okay? Or sometimes the bank will ask like your assessment, as proof of assessment to prove that you are the owner. Nowadays, however, the banks are smart already. They will ask for a lot of things like your stamp SMP or title, okay, just to prove the ownership. Or if you don't have the title, they will ask for tax assessment plus the tenancy agreement plus one more bank statement. Sometimes you can just say the rental you already collect but it's banked in by cash. Cannot that one. And then you don't show me the bank statement to prove. Bank statement don't see you collect cash, habis. So to answer your question, yes, the bank will divide by 50%. So let's just say if the income for rental recognized only 80%, right? So 2,000 rental, 80% recognized is 1,600, right? 1,600 divided by 2, 800 husband income, 800 wife income. Okay? So that's it for today's question. If you like this video, you want more contents like this, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.